New barbecues aren't cheap, so you're right to think about what you can do to extend the life of yours. The first step is to invest in a high-quality grill. While you'll pay more up front, you're likely going to get 15 to 20 years out of it. If you aren't doing regular cleanings and maintenance, you're likely looking at a replacement every 10 years. When it comes to barbecues, rust is your enemy. Forking over more cash won't guarantee that your grill won't get rusty, but there are some things you can do to help. Although, if your barbecue is living on a deck or a patio near the ocean, you're likely going to see some resulting rust. When you're considering your options, go for stainless steel cooking grates instead of cast iron, since it's less rust prone. If you can store your barbecue in a shed, that's ideal, but at the very least, keep it covered when it's not in use. Clean it thoroughly once a season and inspect it regularly, keeping your eye out for rusty holes in the burners or legs, which can be dangerous, or rusty cooking grates, which are just gross. If you do see small amounts of rust, don't ditch the thing. Removing rust can be an easy DIY job. Simply scrub the affected area with steel wool and follow up by cleaning the spot with dish soap and water. Much like anything at the cottage, giving your grill a little TLC can help you feed a crowd for many summers to come.